In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Google Forms header and give your form a clean, professional look. Whether you're creating a form for school, work, or a personal project, or you simply want your form to stand out with a custom design, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. Once you're there, you can either choose a template or start with a brand new blank form. I'm going to use a new form so you can clearly see the entire process from scratch. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, before we add the header, let's prepare the image we want to use. You can create your own header in Canva, or if you already have one ready, that's even better. For this tutorial, we'll create one together. Go ahead and open Canva in another tab. Log into your account, and once you're on the home page, click on the Create icon. From there, choose Custom Size. Now here's the important part. Google Forms works best with headers sized 1600 by 400 pixels. So type in those dimensions 1600 for width and 400 for height and make sure the unit is set to px. Then click Create Design. Canva will open a new canvas with the perfect header layout. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Choose colors that match your form's theme, add simple graphics or shapes to keep it clean, and try not to overcrowd the design. Doing this beforehand ensures your header looks sharp inside Google Forms. Once you're done designing, click Download in Canva, choose PNG or JPG, and save it to your computer. Now go back to your Google form. At the top right, click on Customize Theme, the little paint palette icon. This is where all the visual settings live. Inside the theme panel, look for the header section and click Choose Image. A window will pop up with Google's default header gallery. Ignore that and click Upload instead. Now select the header image you downloaded from Canva. After a moment, Google Forms will automatically crop and adjust it for you, and your brand new header will appear right at the top of your form. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to edit your Google Forms header easily and give your form a polished, professional appearance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?